Hello everybody once again. This is me on overview of animal classification, and we'll be doing the remaining part of the lesson on Coelenterata. It's presented by me, Iftekhar Khan. Aims ranked in. You can follow me www.unacademy.in/user/Iftekhar Khan. So let's get started. So, in this lecture, we are going to talk about the coelenterate and their body forms. So, this is a very important thing that the two basic body forms that are found in cnidarians, they differ in both structure and function from each other. These are polyp and medusa. So, an example of a polyp is Adamsia, while that of a medusa is Aurelia, that's the jellyfish. So, polyp by definition is a cylindrical form which is sessile and it remains attached to the substratum. The substratum of the base of the sea, it remains attached to that. While on the other hand, we have the medusa, which is umbrella shaped, and it's a free swimming form. It's a free swimming form. Some of the cnidarians exist only in the polyp form. Only in the polyp form. The examples are Hydra and Adamsia. While some have Medusa as the dominant form of life, they do have a polyp which is mostly reduced. The example is Aurelia or the jellyfish. Next, we have an important concept that is alternation of generation or metagenesis. So what happens in this case is that both the polyp and the medusa are significant stages, and the example of this type of reproduction or this type of life cycle is Obelia. So they show an alternation of generation which is called metagenesis. In this case, the polyp acts and it forms the medusa asexually. So from the polyp, asexually the medusa has been formed. So the medusa, after that, it gives rise to the sperm and the ova which get fertilized, and after that they lead to the formation of the polyps sexually after sexual reproduction. So what are the examples? The examples are Physalia, which is the Portuguese man of war, also known as the Portuguese man of war. An important characteristic feature is a pneumatophore, which helps in buoyancy. Adamsia, which is the sea anemone. Penetula, which is the sea pen. Gorgonia, which is the sea fan. Meandrina, which is the brain colder. Obelia, which is also called the sea fern, and Aurelia, which is the jellyfish. So these are the example. This is an example of Adamsia, the sea anemone, the polyp form, and this is Aurelia, the medusa, which is the jellyfish. So this is it basically from this lecture, and one small thing that regarding the reproduction in these organisms, most of them are bisexual. The polyps can also reproduce asexually, and most of the others are bisexual, and the fertilization is external. So Please take a care this, and they might have a larvae from as well. So thank you guys, thanks for listening. Goodbye, see you soon with my next lesson.